Hello friends, welcome to Danu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss biology NEET codes from 8th class level. So here, today's concept here is, in this video, conservation of animals. So conservation of animals, in that mainly we will see the wildlife sanctuaries and national parks. So what are the major uses of wildlife sanctuaries and national parks? We'll see here. So what is the first question which will ask frequently asked questions and multiple choice questions. First one, the animals of a particular area are called. So flora, fauna, species and wildlife. So we know that is flora is related to plants and water one. So fauna is related to animals. So option B. Next one. To conserve wildlife animals, government established wildlife sanctuaries, national park, both A and B, and gardens. So here you need to select both A and B. So wildlife sanctuaries, in order to conserve, securing, extending and extended animals, wildlife sanctuaries and established national parks also. Next, third one. The number of wildlife sanctuaries in India are up to 2021. So it's around 566. How many? 566 wildlife sanctuaries are there in India. So we can go along the 550 option D here. So exactly 566 number wildlife sanctuaries are there. Next, fourth one. Wildlife sanctuary provide protection to first one, domestic animals, wild animals, domestic animals and wild animals, domestic plants. So wildlife sanctuary provide protection to, so we know that is wildlife sanctuary provide protection to wild animals. Domestic means which will take care in our homes for cultivation purpose and all. So we can go with the wild animals, majorly wild animals. Option B. Next, fifth one. What is the natural environment in which an animal live? So first one is the habitat, horse and reservoir and resort. So we know that is where habitat is the natural environment in which animal live. So that is the one. Nagarjuna Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Rajasthan. So Nagarjuna Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Andhra Pradesh. We know that is on Krishna district, Krishna River. Next, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is located in. So Bharatpur Bird. So it is one of the district in that state, Bharatpur. So seventh one we know that is C. Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. Bharatpur is located in Rajasthan Bird Sanctuary. Next, Sultanpur Lake Bird Sanctuary is located in. First one Maharashtra, second one Rajasthan and Haryana and Andhra Pradesh. So eighth one is Sultanpur Lake Bird Sanctuary is located. So we know that is Sultanpur, it's located in Haryana. C. Next, a national park is an area strictly reserved for improvement of wildlife. Is an area where grazing and cultivation are permitted. A park where the whole nation can have permitted. A park which can be privately owned. So we know that is option A, an area strictly reserved for improvement of wildlife. Next, 10th one, the number of national parks in India. So more than 50, more than 60, more than 70, more than 80. So we have to select more than 80. It's around up to 2021. 101 national parks are located in India. 101. Exactly. Next one. Come to 11th one. The following human activities are not allowed inside national park. First one, hunting, fishing, mining and all the above. So you can go with the all the above. Kaziranga National Park is located in Assam, Gujarat, West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh. So Kaziranga means we have to think about exactly about, that is Assam. So option A. Next, Gir National Park is located in Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Gujarat and Uttarakhand. So how you can remember Gir National Park? So in Gir National Park, first letter is G. In Gujarat also, first letter is G. So you can go in Gujarat. So that is a shortcut, but Gir National Park is located in Gujarat. Next, first forest reserve of India is Corbelt, Satpura, Kaziranga, and Kauha. So, first forest reserve of India is, we know that is Satpura, which is located in Madhya Pradesh, MP, which is located in Madhya Pradesh, that is first forest reserve in India. Government of India launched Project Tiger in 1980, 1972, 1970 and 1982. So we know that is Government of India launched Project Tiger in 1973. So it's nearly 1972. So for that we are taking on 1st April. 1st April. 1973, 1st April. Next, 16th one. Conservation of living sources within natural ecosystem is called in situ conservation and ex situ conservation, wildlife conservation, wildlife protection. So living within, so you can go with in situ conservation. Sorry, ex situ conservation means X means outside. Conservation of living sources within natural habitat? No. Conservation of wild plants only? No. Conservation of wild animals only? No. Conservation of living sources outside of its natural habitat? Exactly. Why? Because outside and X. X is nothing but outside. Next, statement D. National parks mean for pressure, flora and fauna. Next, pressure, flora and fauna. So it will take care about flora and fauna. Exactly. National parks another purpose to provide human recreation and enjoyment. Also, both A and B are correct. Next, statement A. Satpura National Park in Madhya Pradesh is the first forest reserve of India. We are already discussed in previous debate. So Madhya Pradesh exactly. And rock paintings and rock shelters are one of the tourist attraction of Sapper National Park. So rock paintings and rock shelters are one of the tourist attractions in where? Satpura. Not Sapper, it is Satpura. And what you can say, it is located in Madhya Pradesh. So A is true and B is false. Not Sapper, it is Satpura, which is located in Madhya Pradesh. Next, come to the 20th bit. Statement A. Tiger is one of the many wildlife species which are slowly disappearing. Exactly. Statement 2. For that only India take initiation on Project Tiger. And 35 tiger reserves of in India are of under Project Tiger. No. So statement 2 is wrong. Statement 1 is correct. But actually, what is that here? How many tiger reserves are there means 51 tiger reserves are there in India. 51. Not 35. It is 51. Next, match the following. Nagarjuna Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, Dandeli Wildlife Sanctuary, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. So Dandeli is one of the district of Karnataka. So Dandeli means go to Karnataka. Nagarjuna Sagar go to Andhra Pradesh and Bharatpur remaining one is Madhya Pradesh. So what is that here? BAC. So BAC, where is that? C. So 21 is C. Next one. Corbelt National Park, Gir National Park, Kaziranga National Park and Satpura National Park. So we know that is Corbelt National Park is really Uttarakhand and Gir as I already told G and G. So that is Gujarat and Kaziranga which is related to Assam and Satpura means it is Madhya Pradesh. So 3, 3, 2, 4, 1. So where it is that? 3, 2, 4, 1 option D. Next 23. Match the following. IUCN, Project Tiger, the Forest Act. And presentation by Conservation of Forest, Tiger Protection and Red List. So what is meant by IUCN? So International Union for Conservation of Nature. International Union for Conservation of Nature. So that is will come under Red List. Project Tiger, Tiger Protection and Forest Act is presentation by conservation of forest. So what are the options? CBA. Where it is that? CBA. Option B. Here, 23. Next one, 24th, last one. Fauna National Park Extended Species Wildlife Sanctuaries. Fauna, it is related to animals of particular area. Fauna. National parks, the species which are very extinct, the species which are very too extinct, that is extended species, and animals that are particular fauna, protection of wildlife animals in their habitat, and large area of scene beauty protected. So wildlife sanctuaries, protection of wildlife and animals habitat, and national parks is this one. So we know that is 2413. 2413, that is option. So 2413, option C. So fauna, it is animals of particular area. We know that is. Next one, national parks, large area of scene beauty protected, and extended species, that is species. 2413, wildlife sanctuaries is protection of wildlife. Exactly. If you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.